right, so this is going to be an honest, unpaid for review. I got this. It's by Monibloom, I believe, and they sell it on Amazon. They sell it all over the internet. These are PTSD chairs. Only kidding. It's actually for someone like me because I need to sleep in a chair in my kitchen because I have PTSD and I get flashbacks in my sleep so bad and nightmares that I need to. I actually, here, this is what I sleep in. And everyone in my family thinks it's absolutely insane. I fall asleep in a chair. I cannot lay down. If I lay down on like the bed, I have bad nightmares and flashbacks. So I found this as a solution possibly where I could sleep in the kitchen. Now I have edema, really bad. Edema is swelling of the legs because you don't elevate your legs. When you sit in a chair, you can get a blood clot without your legs elevated. If you sit in a chair for way too long, you can get a blood clot. And it actually, I'm not even joking. It's really scary, but I laugh at dark things because it scares me so much that I have to laugh. You could die because you're sleeping in a chair like this. And so that's what I do. I put my head on my desk in the kitchen and I fall asleep in this chair, and I sleep in this chair for about 8 hours a night. Not good. I'm about to die if I continue to do this. So we need to elevate the legs. That's why I saw this, and let's open it and see what it's all about because we're going to do a review on it. And we're going to see if this is the solution to my issue. I got it in black. Let's get the cutters or the shank, like I like to call it. I got to find my shank. Oh, here's my shank. All right, so I'm going to put this down on a stand so I can open this. We got the shank. Let's get the shank open. And I'm going to tell you guys right now, I'm not receiving free items. I'm not receiving free items. I'm not being paid to do this. This is something life or death. And so I thought you guys would like to join me on my, life or death type of adventure, because if we don't do this, I'm not kidding you, my legs are so swollen from not elevating them that we have an issue. All right, this apparently comes fully put together. You do not need batteries either. Oh, this is actually thicker than I thought, the legs on this. Now, if you're a fatty fat like me, you got to be careful because chairs break very easily if you weigh 200 pounds or over. And this is nice and thick. I'm actually quite surprised. Basically, this is an indoor-outdoor chair. And you could take this outside. Oh, wow, it's heavy. Holy snap. Holy snap, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. You don't want some lightweight piece of crap chair. Oh my God, wait. Yeah, this is going to support a fatty. It says 300 and something pounds. And it comes with a cushion. So now this is not only a recliner chair, it is actually a bed. And so this is great for camping too. It comes with a mattress and a tray, and you can put your phone in there and a drink. So in my kitchen, I can have my drink and my phone in here when I go to sleep. And it reclines, I believe, 140 degrees up to 100, from 90-something degrees to 140. It comes with a mattress. Now, some of these mattresses can be very flimsy, so I don't expect very much. Apparently, you're supposed to leave this. I have anxiety issues, so that just scared the bejesus out of me. All right, so you're supposed to leave this out for 24 hours and let it expand. And you're never going to get a thick mattress. But this actually chair, it was advertised that you can use it without a mattress. And so I'm trying to get it out of the thing. I'm going to shake it out for maximum fluffiness. And like I said, you're not going to get a really thick mattress with these things. Let me just shake it out to, fluff it. We're going to try to fluff it. We're going to go like that. And then we're going to get to the chair, and I'll be back. All right, so I fluffed it, and it's actually getting fluffier. And it has a pillow top. I don't know if you can see that. All right, let's open the chair and see how easy it is from when you get it from the box. And by the way, it came very fast with UPS and or Amazon delivery, whatever you want to call it. And apparently, you're supposed to be able to use this right away without having to build it. All right, so I took the packaging off. It has some kind of bungees. I don't know if you can see the bungees. Let's get the bungee action. And there's bungees here. There is a neck roll that looks flat. And the neck roll is right here. It's detachable. And you could fluff it up. Actually, you can open it up in the back, and it has a memory foam type of deal going on, and you could just fluff that up. So how do you open this? Hold on, let me just zoom back out. I don't want to be on camera, so I'm trying to avoid being on camera as much as possible. And I don't know, how do you open it? Yeah. You just open it like this. And yeah, did I just get my ugly Croc in there? Yeah, I wear Crocs. Trust me, I'm not very fashionable. All right, so, oh, okay, look at this, like, this is, wow, okay. This is real, okay, this is really OG. This is original gangster. This is really nice. Has locking mechanisms on it. It has arms. Let's check out the legs. And this, you know, in the picture, of course, it looks really fluffy. But let's undo it. I think it has Velcro. Oh, no. It comes off with a stretchy band. And so I'm just going to go ahead and do the old, you know what I'm saying? You knead it like dough. And because it's memory foam, I'll show you. It's going to, you know, it's going to get smashed from the weight. Now, the chair is actually quite heavy. It's at least 18 to 20 pounds, I'm guesstimating. And so, yeah, you see, it's springing to life. It may take like 24 hours before it's fully, you know what I'm saying? You can actually add more stuffing to this because it has a slot on the back. So, all right, let's go ahead and put our cushion on. And then we'll look at the dimensions of the chair and so on and so forth. But this is actually quite cool. We'll see how far back we can recline this. All right, so we're going to put our cushion on. And by the way, it is fluffing up, which is great. And let's go ahead. Yeah, oh, this is going to be a great place to sleep, boys and girls. Trust me, I'm not the type that needs a $3,000 Beauty Rest mattress. After seeing that chair that I showed you, can you imagine the luxurious comfort this is going to have? This goes over the back of the chair. So it stays on. There we go. And you tie, there's ties, and we're going to tie it to the chair. There's some kind of ties and stuff. Wow. Okay, so this is it not reclined. This is it not reclined. It is actually, I'm surprised. I really thought it was going to be a dinky, rinky chair. Now, they have these locking mechanisms. See the little ring? This is in the unlocked position. So you can actually recline this back. I don't know if you could see this. And let's go ahead and do that. And then you can lock it into the position. Holy cow, look how far back it goes. You can recline it in all different positions and then lock it with the locking mechanism. And you can pull it up or down. Okay, so this is fully reclined. Look at that. And all you got to do is just, if you want to change it, you want to, look, watch. You just pull it, you see, and then the back comes forward. And then you can adjust it to all different desired angles and then just lock it in place. Now I'm going to sit in it. Now without it, it's got, by the way, it took me like, the most time it took me to set this chair up was tying the little ties on. And so let's look, it has breathable mesh and bungees. Look at that, breathable mesh that's see-through. And so you don't have to even use the cushion. But look at it, the cushion is actually not that bad. It looks dinky and rinky, but it's not that bad. I'm going to lay in it, and I'll be right back. Oh, my God. I just laid in it, and I'm not just saying this. I'm buying another one. There was only, like, the last time I checked, like 6 in stock. But let me tell you something. I'll give you other links. They're all the same. There's, like, all different Chinese makers that are selling this under different name brands. They're all the same. Trust me. They do have XL size ones that are a little wider. Actually, let's see how wide this one is if you're a fat ass. Let's see how wide the seat is. Now, I'm a fat ass, a certified fat ass, and I could tell you right now it was wide enough for my fat ass and my hips and, you know. All right, let's get out the measurer. Going across this way, it's about 21 inches. Well, the cushion's about 21 inches, and it's like sort of like, it depends on where you're sitting, because there's like gaps that are open out. So, you know, if you have fat hanging over, it can go out through the arms. So you figure about 21 inches across, 21 inches across. And the cushion is, the width is 21 inches across, supposedly. And then the outer, let's go ahead to the outer. And the outer arms are about 20, I'm trying to hook this on here. are about 25.5 inches across. Cushion, and it's standing like without it reclined to the floor. It's about 41 inches. But the mesh stops at about, I think it's 26 inches. Cushion's claim is that it's 3 inches in thickness. And we're going to check that out right now. And no. Okay, if it was 3 inches, it would be up to here. But we're getting about a consistent 2 and change. Maybe 2.5, 2 3/4 thickness. It goes from 38 to 62, whether you recline it or keep it upright like a chair. So it could stretch from 38 to 62 inches this way and that way. The width going across on the bottom is about 25 inches across. Oh, and there's my ugly crock. Oh, geez. When you're all done, it folds up. And here are the little measurements for you. Not that any of you really care, except for if you're extra large like I am, or extra, extra large. The motion, 140 degrees this way, and you can see it can recline. And it's 95-degree up and down, or forward, or backwards, 140 degrees. Description, the length of the seat says 22 inches, but you figure we got some room back here. So it's a little bit more than 22 inches. From the floor to the seat height, it's about 17 inches and 18 inches for the slope. You figure it's going to be a little taller for the slope, and about 17 inches from floor to seat. So what size drink can fit in here? And how big is the slit? Actually, you can put your cell phone in there. A smaller tablet. Let's get the measurer out. So if you want to put something in here, you could put like a 7-inch tablet in here. And let's see how deep it is. And yeah, it's actually nice and deep. Okay, the drink holder is nice and deep. Let's show you that. You can put an ashtray in here. If you're a smoker, oh, that would be a great idea. All right, so we're going to test out, because I know a lot of you have these type of big, giant, big drink cups. And, oh, yeah, there's no problem whatsoever with that. I don't know what that is for. I don't know. Maybe your guess is greater than mine, probably. There we go. We're going to actually try some other things. Sitting in the chair and I want to watch YouTube in the kitchen and recline back. I could actually probably use this as a mouse pad. I have a rubber mouse pad. You could probably take a book. Let's go ahead. You put a book here, right? And then you can surf the internet that way. And if you have a wireless keyboard, boom. This is your internet chair also. These butt bucket type of ashtrays, like for $1.88. On Temu, a big giant one, that's probably like a 20-pack. You can get these butt bucket ashtrays, and you can stick it in the armrest too. It doesn't even have to be a cup. Here, I'll show you. Here's different pictures of butt buckets that you can get. Or you could just use a regular cup from your cabinet that you don't care about. That's what I'm going to do. So this can sort of be like a bed. And it also can be like a lounge chair. They say you can put it outside. It's indoor, outdoor. You can turn this into a patio chair. You can actually take the cover off. You can fold this up and put this in your closet. So when you're not using it, just untie the little cover and just fold it up like a lawn chair, like we originally had it when we unboxed it, and it fit in that box that we see over there. Conclusion. Okay, pros and cons. Really no pros and cons. Actually, it's the perfect chair for a lot of things. For insomnia, or people that have PTSD flashbacks and don't like laying down on a bed. Pressure sores. If you have pressure sores or surgery or bad back, great for that. What else? The cons. The cons are the cushion could be a little thicker, but it doesn't, you don't notice. You don't notice that the cushion is not really, really like, plush. We're not talking like posh spice over here, if you know what I mean. It's posh enough for someone like me who sleeps in a chair with wheels on it. And this is a great weed smoking chair. You can actually turn this into a gaming chair from your kitchen. If you want to watch YouTube and surf the net, boom. You have a wireless keyboard, wireless mouse, boom. This chair is for you. If you want to take it camping, this chair is for you. If you're homeless and you live on the side of the road. This chair, you can, by day, you can sit up, and by night, you can sleep in it. This can also be, like if you have like a big family and you're poor, you're one of the poors, and you only have like so much space on the couch to lounge and watch, I don't know, Goodfellas or The Sopranos on HBO, you can actually turn this into a Chaise lounge. Booyah! Now, if you weigh as much as Fatty Arbuckle, I think he was like 400 pounds or 375 or something like that, you're not going to want this chair. If you're 200 and probably 75 pounds or less, this chair will do you good. It'll actually probably not collapse on you. I don't think it's going to collapse. I'm over 200. I'm not going to let you guesstimate my weight. That's why I'm not on camera. And yeah, I'm like smoking. I'm going to be living it up like La Vida Loca over here in this chair. And I'm going to tell you right now, buy this chair. You'll love it. Links in the description beneath this video. Box. The box beneath the video, you probably won't even notice it. Just expand it out. Boom. Links are in there. And I'm telling you right now, this is a great weed chair too. I don't smoke weed, but I smoke cigarettes. And I'm going to be like utilizing this as like my desk area. And if the link doesn't work and say this is sold out, I'll have links underneath that for other chairs that are identical to this one. By the way, they come in different colors. If you don't like black, you can get it in blue. Black and blue, you can get it in, I don't know, all sorts of rainbows of colors. I think they even have a rainbow chair. Thanks for watching. See you guys all soon. This is the ultimate badass PTSD sufferer, bad back, elderly person, young person, homeless person, weed smoking token, jackass that doesn't like to sleep on a conventional bed chair.